Hey guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look. Super easy, super affordable, and something that you can wear on the go if you're just going to be running a few errands and things like that. So if you like this look and you want to see how I got it, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm going to clip my hair back. Whoa! I have not had long nails in a while, and these are longer than I usually have them, so I'm like trying to get used to them. It's a little hard to adjust. But so to start off with today, because it's going to be an easy makeup look, I'm just going to run a few errands. I wanted to do two masks. One of them is a lip mask and one of them is an under eye mask, and these are what they look like. This lip mask is Cherry Gel Lip Mask, and let's see, hydrate and moisturize, made in Korea, and it just looks like this. And the instructions say to remove lip mask from tray and apply lip patch on clean lips. Leave the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes, remove the mask and gently massage any residue into the lips. No need to rinse. I love masks that I don't have to rinse off, because then I can just massage it into my face and it's good all night long, and I feel like it really moisturizes and things like that, so I like that you can leave this on. So here is what the little tray looks like. Those are some big juicy lips. Mine are not that big, let me tell you. Let's see, how do we open this? Well, how is this supposed to stay on? Okay, well, I will put that on in just a couple of minutes. I'm going to set it back in the tray because I have to talk to you guys while I'm putting on the under eye mask, and I didn't even think about that. So, put that back on in just a few. Under eye mask, it is going to, it is the ginseng and eucalyptus under eye mask. Okay, I don't know. This is in Korea, so I'm not going to do that. It's an awakening mask, and basically brings the most exciting ingredients from South Korea. Okay, open and remove patches from the tray, peel off the film, and place the patches under the eyes. Keep the patches in place for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, remove the patches and gently massage the remaining product into the skin. No need to rinse. Okay, so let's open this up. And again, it is in just a little clear package. This is what it looks like. It's got like little brown specks in it. The only thing about like jelly masks and stuff is they like to slide around. Make sure not get it too close to my eyeball. Okay, so let's do the second one. It feels really cooling. Like, I really like the feeling of it. It feels so good. These actually feel like they're staying in place like really well. 2 thumbs up for those. I'm going to put the lip mask back on, and then I'm going to do a few things around the house, and I will get back with you guys in about 20-30 minutes. For you, it'll be like a second, so I'll be right back. Okay, it has been like 25 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take this stuff off. The lip mask my lips feel smooth. I mean, there's still product on there. It did have trouble staying on, so I guess you're supposed to just like lay your head back probably. But I was moving around, so I did have to keep putting it back on and everything. So these eye masks are really cooling. I really like those so far. I'm just gonna pat it in. Okay, so let's get on to the makeup look. what we're going to do today is something really easy. I'm going to be using a BB cream, and it's just going to be minimal products, but I'm still going to get a good coverage. That way I can go run my errands and do the things that I need to do. So this is perfect for the summertime if you just want to put a little bit of something on in order to kind of get out of the house and go do what you need to do. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started doing that. So first we're going to prime the face with my One Heck of a Blot face primer. This is a shine block for 12 hours, and I really like this primer. It does keep the shine down pretty good with most of all my foundations. I am pretty oily throughout the day, especially in the summertime, so I still get oily, but this definitely has been one of my go-to favorite primers for a long time now. For the BB cream that I'm going to be using, it is the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream for oily skin. I'm in the shade 530, which is light medium. This is what it looks like, and it says it's oil-free, won't clog pores, suitable for sensitive skin, and lasts all day. So this is what we're going to use. I'm just going to apply it with my beauty blender. You can apply it with a brush too. I've done it both ways and it looks really good. So, but for today we'll do it with the beauty blender. So here it is on the back of my hand. It is a little bit runny. I know that looks like a lot of product, but I just want to make sure and cover my entire face up. It gives really good coverage without being like too full coverage, but it covers up everything and it's not cakey, and it's really good for the summertime. I'm going to zoom you guys in just so that you can see it a little bit better and how well the coverage is with this. So here you can see that the coverage is pretty darn good. For BB cream, I don't think that I could get much better because I do have freckles and I do have some redness and blemishes on my chin. And this looks really good. I'm really happy with this product. It's hard to find a good BB cream that is going to cover up your blemishes and do what it needs to do throughout the day, especially when it's pretty affordable. So for the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape. This is a full coverage concealer. Everybody loves it. I usually don't use this a whole lot. I use it just a little bit, but since we are using a light coverage BB cream, I want to use something that's a little bit more full coverage that'll cover up my dark under eyes. And this is in the shade Fair Light. And I still don't use a whole lot. I just use a little bit to even out my face and to give me just a little bit more coverage. And again, I'm just going to use my beauty sponge. This is the e.l.f. one, and I really, really like it. This is just going to give you a little bit more coverage, and it's going to lighten up some of those spots that you want to be not so dark. And it blends out so good with this BB cream. If you are on the go and you are wanting this to be a faster makeup look, then definitely use a brush with it because, like I said, it does apply really well with a brush. I just like to use a beauty blender with most of all of my foundations. So that is what I'm using today. So for the powder, I'm not going to do any baking because we are doing a lighter coverage look. And I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. And this is just their pressed powder. This is in the shade 001. It's transparent. So this is what I really like to use. It helps keep me matte all day long. So this powder is perfect for the days that you are just wanting to do a BB cream, or even if you just want to do some concealer. and then put some powder on, no foundation, no BB cream. This is a great powder for that. And like I said, it does keep me matte and it does cover up a little bit. It's not like a full coverage powder or anything, but it definitely does a really good job with help covering up any spots that you need to be covered. And I'm just going to put it on with a e.l.f. brush. So now that we have all the powder on, we're going to go ahead and move on to bronzer. And as you can tell, this is the Physicians Butter Bronzer. I love this bronzer. I use it seriously every single day. And you can clearly see that because I've hit pan really hard with that. Contour just a little bit, but not like crazy. Just to help put some color on my face. My blush, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution. I love this brand. This is in the shade Nude, and these blushes are so pigmented. They're so beautiful. They are perfect for any occasion. They have some great colors to choose from, and I just put a little bit of blush on my cheeks just to, again, give it a little bit of color. I'm just going to take my spoolie and just kind of blend everything together. Now for my brows, I'm not going to do anything with them today. I'm simply just going to brush them and then put a brow gel on them just so that they stay in place. But my brows are microbladed, so on days like this, if I don't have to fill them in, I'm not going to fill them in. Brow gel that I like to use is the Essence one. This is Make Me Brow, and it is in the shade Soft Brown. And this just helps my brows stay in place so that they are not looking crazy all day. Now for my eyes, what I'm also going to do is take that bronzer that we just used, and I'm going to just put it right here in the crease just to give my eyelids a little bit of dimension and where they don't look so blank. So we just put a little bit right here just to kind of give them that little bit of a shadow right there. For my eyeliner, I'm just going to be using a little bit of it. It's going to be the Master Precise Skinny and the Maybelline. This is the black liner. This is totally optional. You do not have to use eyeliner, but I just want to use a bit, well, and I'm out. So I just want to use a little bit just so that, just because I like that look. For my mascara, I'm going to be going in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast mascara. This has been my favorite go-to mascara for several years now, and I've tried other ones and I keep going back, so this is what we are going to use today. So for highlighter, this is definitely a part that you do not have to do, but I just want my skin to look nice and glowy. I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Casey Holmes highlighter. I have loved this, and I wish she would come out with another one because this is like all I use. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to highlight my cheeks. I'm also going to take it down the bridge of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. For lips, I'm not going to be using a lipstick today. I'm simply just going to be putting on a chapstick. This is the Fruit Punch. It is a pink color, and it does give my lips a little bit of color to them. But I also just want to moisturize my lips because it is so hot and dry outside, and I just feel like on days like this, I don't really have to have a lipstick. Okay, so that completes this look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. This is a super easy go-to everyday look. Even if you're, you're going to work or something and you want to do something very minimal but still look presentable, then this look is perfect. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!